For decades, scientists believe brain cells never regenerate. But new discoveries show your brain quietly repairs itself even today. Doctors once thought neurons were permanent. Any loss was irreversible, shaping how we viewed aging, brain injury, and memory decline. Unexpected research revealed adult brains can generate new neurons. This process, called neurogenesis, challenges everything we previously understood about brain repair. Neurogenesis occurs mainly in the hippocampus. Neural stem cells divide, forming neurons that integrate into existing networks for learning and memory. The hippocampus controls memory and emotions. New neurons grow here, forming connections that strengthen cognition and emotional regulation over time. Stem cells divide, producing neurons and support cells. This careful process ensures only the strongest neurons survive and connect effectively. Axons extend toward neighboring neurons, forming dendrites and synapses. This growth builds the pathways essential for memory and learning functions. Not all new neurons survive. Only those stimulated and needed by the brain endure, while weaker neurons naturally fade away silently. Chronic stress releases cortisol, reducing neurogenesis. Neurons shrink, connections weaken, and learning and memory formation can be significantly impaired. During sleep, neuron growth is enhanced. Proper rest allows new neurons to survive, integrate, and strengthen vital memory pathways efficiently. Physical activity boosts blood flow and growth factors, stimulating hippocampus neurons. Exercise supports neuron survival, strengthening learning and emotional resilience naturally. Learning new skills activates neurons, encouraging survival. Mental stimulation tells the brain these neurons are needed, promoting long-term neurogenesis. Excess alcohol and toxins suppress neurogenesis. New neurons fail to integrate, and hippocampus activity is reduced, impairing cognitive and emotional health. Excess alcohol and toxins suppress neurogenesis. New neurons fail to integrate, and hippocampus activity is reduced, impairing cognitive and emotional health. New neurons form networks that store memories. Strengthened synapses improve recall, learning capacity, and cognitive flexibility across your lifetime. Hippocampus neurons connect with the amygdala, regulating emotions. Neurogenesis supports mood balance, resilience to stress, and emotional stability effectively. Some antidepressants enhance neurogenesis, increasing neuron survival in the hippocampus. This may help improve mood and cognitive function subtly over time. Neurogenesis involves stem cells transforming into neurons, forming synapses, and integrating into networks, enabling learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Neurogenesis doesn't occur uniformly. Most brain areas remain static, and recovery from severe damage or neurodegeneration remains limited. The adult brain is dynamic and adaptable. Neurogenesis allows continuous remodeling, highlighting the brain's remarkable potential to change and heal. Sleep, exercise, and learning directly influence neuron survival. Consistent, healthy habits enhance neurogenesis, supporting memory, learning, and emotional balance naturally. Without stimulation, hippocampus neurons weaken. Lack of exercise, sleep, or learning slows neurogenesis, increasing risk of memory loss and cognitive decline. Engaging in exercise, learning, and mental challenges restores neuron growth. Neurogenesis proves the brain retains a hidden capacity for renewal. Emerging therapies aim to enhance neurogenesis. Light stimulation, targeted molecules, and novel treatments may strengthen neuron growth and cognitive function. Your brain is not static. Neurogenesis demonstrates its self-repairability, adapting to lifestyle, learning, and environmental challenges constantly. Stem cells transform into neurons, form synapses, and integrate into networks. Neurogenesis fuels memory, learning, and emotional regulation effectively. Healthy habits, sleep, exercise, learning, diet, stimulate hippocampus neuron growth, promoting cognitive resilience, memory improvement, and overall mental wellness. Chronic stress, alcohol, and poor sleep suppress neurogenesis, reducing neuron survival, weakening memory, and impairing emotional stability. Neurons in the hippocampus connect with cortex and amygdala, supporting memory formation and emotional balance through adaptive neurogenesis. Neurogenesis proves the brain's capacity for repair. Hippocampus neurons adapt, creating new connections that enhance learning and emotional regulation. Your brain quietly repairs itself, Understanding neurogenesis inspires curiosity, motivating lifestyle changes that promote neuron growth and cognitive health.
Exercise, learning, and sleep strengthen hippocampus neurons. Daily habits directly impact neurogenesis, shaping memory, mood, and overall brain health. The brain's neurons pulse with activity. Neurogenesis shows the adult brain remains alive, adaptive, and capable of continuous growth. Your brain is alive and adaptive. Neurogenesis allows change, growth, and repair, reminding us of its remarkable hidden potential. Remember, your brain listens to how you live. Every day you can encourage neuron growth, memory, and emotional resilience naturally.